Kani kadiga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
MLA kanong po konstituensi ba Meral Bonds ulawan ra ya ka jingkili hapo yeng lor bat hawaan ke jela ha ka bay day ba ka jing ba kinong rep kia kendu ai kini gisngi badan kani ka jinghang basipor ni ka lockdown kawai ni kimat bo te MLA ka riboy ulah keren ka day halor ka jing bamla kinong rep ki badai ki tra jela ban penya yoi ki mar rep ki jongki kat ba ki jorna asampan ki poi man kasngi sakani ka jela ulah bu jingkili nak sorkar hatu kumbakat nu ki jhur ki wan asam man kasngi bat kat nu pat ki jhur nakani jela lapha shabar jela.
One of the most affected sector in our state, in our country, is agriculture, and that is the farmer. And we have seen since the lockdown, since 24th of March, Yeouido being the hub of business activities for agricultural produce and other essential commodities has been closed down. There is a huge cry for the farmer all over the state. Even though yesterday we heard from our friends from Garo Hills that the farmers were very happy due to lockdown because all their agricultural produce have been sold out. But there are several sectors, several districts and areas of our state which face difficulties, and they are facing problem where to sell, how to sell, because from the government they have not regulated properly the places where to sell. I want to ask the honorable member or the minister, that is the government have any plan apart from this mentioned in according to the course of reply in A, like Maoyong regulated market, 5th Mile, Shillong, Upper Shillong, William Nagar, Yalong and Penursla. Apart from all this, any other places of the district also, even in Riboy district also, lots of farmers are facing problem. They cannot sell their produce. If the carpas has been acquired, few they got, and few of them who just go like that, they have been harassed by the police. This is the issue. So I want to get a categorical response from the minister. Any plan by the government to set up more places for selling of agricultural produce to be regulated by the government properly with the village community.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Yes, the government have already set up some more market which have been replied in the A, but till date, sir, the department they have 12 markets farmers, 12 numbers of farmers market, and 15 numbers of lay-by market, which most of the market is being operational right now, sir.
So in due course of response from the Honorable Minister, I would urge the department to be more proactive to identify those lay-by market also, which has been just laying like that. There are so many in Riboy, lay-by market has not been utilized properly. So it has to be regulated properly. Number two, sir, due to COVID-19, farmers have incurred many loss. Is there any incentive or financial help for free seeds or any kind of financial assistance to the farmer of our state in general?
Mr. Speaker, sir, apart from the seed made available through normal scheme of agriculture and horticulture, an amount of 98.99 lakhs was made available from Krishi Karman Award money given by the Government of India to supply seed to the farmers at 75% subsidy, impacting 32,000 number of agricultural farmers and 12,177 numbers horticulture farmers of the state for paddy, soybean, lentil, other and various vegetable seed like French bean, cabbage, carrot, coriander, peas, lady's finger, cucumber, bitter gourd, rich gourd, chilies, and etc.
Sir. Please.
Sir, in the course of reply from the Honorable Minister, we hope that apart from all those that has been already been mentioned by the Honorable Minister, other kind of financial support needed for the farmer, we hope that the government and agriculture department will look into. Number 3, sir, question. So we want to know during this lockdown and even before that, because our state, there are seasons where the vegetable it is not enough for the consumer in our state, and there are the time which is excess. So I want to know from the Honorable Minister the quantity of the agricultural produce, vegetable especially, bringing from outside the state, within the state, at the same time from the state supply outside the state.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the quantity of vegetable coming into the state and going outside the state, it's being done by the independent traders and not through our regulated market. So the department has no specific data.
We would urge the department, especially during lockdown. Why I'm asking this? The complaint from localities also, vegetables from outside the state, from Assam, just coming to our state, whereas vegetables from inside the state, from the farmer, they cannot sell it out. That is why I want to know the quantity, whether there is a balance on it, whether the department, I would urge that to look into the distress of all these farmers so that those vegetables produced by local farmer can be sold out within the state. So question number 4. There are farmers who have planted ginger or betel nut where the supply within the state, the demand within the state is less. It has to be supplied outside the state. I want to ask from the Honorable Minister whether government allow or is the how the government regulate during the lockdown for ginger, for betel nuts and for other agricultural produce to be supplied outside the state.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the government allowed supply of agricultural produce like ginger and betel nut outside the state. And the Department of Agriculture also is issuing card to the farmers and traders to sell their produce within and outside the state.
Thank you, sir. But there are few farmers who are not aware for this process, this initiative taken by the government. So I would urge the department to approach more to the farmer so that they can supply their produce in due course of time. So last question. We have seen in the course of reply by the Honorable Minister in B, where the government has engaged the 1917I team. But we have seen at the ground, the 1917I team, sometimes they will go and they will buy only few selected items. They wouldn't buy all the items produced by the farmer. So I would like to ask from the Honorable Minister, step taken by the government to help the farmer to sell their produce apart from those items taken by 1917I team.
Sir, the department has taken proactive measures in facilitating sale of farmers' produce by issuing card pass to all the farmers and vegetable traders to enable them to sell their produce within and outside the state. That's why we are using a 1917 vehicle, agricultural response vehicle, sir. At the same time also, we hire from the farmers all over the state.
Just one suggestion.
Only 5.
Not a question, a suggestion.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I have 2 questions, not 5, just 2. Speaker, sir, prior to the lockdown, Yodo used to be the hub for all the wholesalers of the Khasi Hills. All the farmers converge in a place called Yeo Dilang. The Yeo Dilang at Yodo used to be the place for all the farmers to bring their produce And this used to be the wholesale market for all the vegetables and the fruits. So after the lockdown, Yodo has been closed. Now, what alternative arrangements has the government done or facilitated to the farmers to have a similar kind of a wholesale market like the Yo Dilang?
So, from the department and the district administration in East Khasi Hills, we have also organized some retail vegetable market at Umding Pon in 7 Mile. And we already opened that market also. And other part of the district also, example in Latsmith and Maurinkening also, it's been open for facilitate of our farmers of the state. And Food Mile also, we have identified one small market, retail market. But the major market is been utilized by the farmers right now in Umding Pon in 7 Mile, Upper Shillong, sir.
That means there is no wholesale market, sir, which means what the government has facilitated is retail markets. The farmers are in a difficult situation now to dispose all their major products, and that is why I brought this to the notice of the government, that the wholesale market that used to be there has to be opened. It is not in the form of a retail market. So is the government thinking to revive the Yo Dilang again in the near future?
Sir, right now the Yodo market, Yo Dilang, we cannot open, sir. It's depend on the decision of the government. But definitely, I accept. I'll take this suggestion of honourable member to start the wholesale market somewhere in outskirts of Shillong. So we are trying a level best from the department with the district administration to open the big wholesale market again, sir.
My second question, sir, is relating to medicines. So what steps has the government taken to provide subsidies for medicines to the farmers during the lockdown periods? So it coincided with the sowing period. The sowing period for the farmers, and they were deprived of medicines, manure, and many other things. So, but my question is related only to the medicines, and may I know what kind of medicines were supplied to the farmers?
Sir, regarding this, sir, for the manure of the farmers, sir, we from the department we have instruct all those those shops who are related selling of medicine for the farmers, organic manure or manure, which it's already open. The farmers, they are buying from this shop, which is already given direction by the district administration, sir.
I'll just bring this to the notice of the Honourable Minister, that the medicines that are available in the open market, they bear a particular MRP on the bag of the medicines. But these medicines are not complied as per the MRP, and they are sold at a very high prices. And therefore, I request the Honourable Minister to kindly investigate and look into this so that our farmers are not cheated. Thank you, sir.
Point noted, sir. Thank you.
Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister the number of cars available for the transportation of agricultural goods for the 1917 I teams, and also the 1917 I teams, in which districts are they active?
Sir, number of 1917 I teams, it's available in many districts, sir. It's can I read out, sir? It's total, it's 18 number of vehicle. Riboy district, 5 number. Southwest Khasi Hills, 2 number. West Giant Hills, 1 number. West Khasi Hills, 2 number. East Khasi Hills, 3 number. West Garo Hills, 5 number. North Garo Hills, 5 number. East Garo Hills, 5 number. Total is 18 number of vehicles.
How many, please?
Mr. Speaker, sir, from the Honorable Minister's reply, I could see that there is no I-team cars available for Southwest Garo Hills. And I remember in the last review meeting with Honorable Supply Minister Shri James Sangma, we had mentioned about this I-teams. We had requested that in our district we don't have the I-teams available, and that was long before the lockdown. So I would like to request the Honorable Minister Agriculture to kindly look into the matter.
Okay, sir. Point noted, sir.
Same supplementaries has been put forward by another member from Ampati, but however, from the replies of the Honorable Minister, I think he said about the 1917 item car 18.
Yes.
But district-wise, whatever he has mentioned, five each district, four districts he has mentioned. It itself is becoming 20, and 2, 3, 1 are also there. So that may be corrected, sir.
It's 18.
80 or 18?
18.
18?
Yeah.
No, sir. He has said 18, but then Riboy 5, Southwest Khasils 2,
Seven.
then 1, then 2, West Khasils 3, then West Garo Hills 5, North Garo Hills 5,
23.
and another 5 in
28.
East Garo Hills.
So sorry, sir.
That may be
Miscalculation.
corrected.
Yeah. So sorry. So sorry. Mismatch number given by the
How many
officer.
total? How many total then? 28?
No, sir. It's actually totally it's 18, sir. But but the thing is, I've mentioned 2 district also is not there, but I've mentioned that. That's why. Actually, they are given a wrong calculation here, sir. Officer.
Sir, in that case,
Then who's doing the wrong calculation?
It's okay, sir.
no. Sir, in that case, at least the correct reply may be once again told for the record of the August House, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll just do one thing, sir. I'll just
Have you
collect
corrected or
the.
you'll place it on the table of the House?
Definitely, I'll place the table of the house, sir.
No,
Exact number.
it is few numbers only. You can read out. We can note down on this.
Yeah, I'll stand corrected, sir. Here.
Okay, please.
Riboy 5 and Southwest 2, West Giant Hills 1, West Khasi Hills 2, East Khasi Hills 3, and West Garo Hills 5. Total is 18, sir.
Are you satisfied with the numbers now?
Oh, it is correct.
Does it tally? Okay.